going on, guys? Welcome back to something on a great day. Today we're going to be installing a aftermarket third brake light to the back of the Bronco. Now, obviously it's already got a third brake light on top of the tire up here, but I don't like the way it looks. And then especially if I go up to 37s, they sell like these relocating brackets that move this light a little bit higher up. So I'm going to go ahead and just eliminate that and put the third brake light behind the wheel here. There's a company out there that already sells one, but I think it's really expensive. So I went ahead and got this universal kit from Amazon. It's basically made for Jeep Wranglers, but I think I can get it to work. I'm gonna go ahead and take off that spare tire and see what we have to do to modify this third brake light to get it to work. With the tire off now, we can go ahead and take off this wrapper here. And now you can see the dual ring on the light. So let's go see if this is going to mount up. One hole to line up, and maybe almost two. But if no, it's not going to fit here. So I want it to be centered there. I'm going to have to drill holes in between on the top there. So yeah. If I want to center the ring with this lug nut here, I'm going to have to drill here and here. Marked here, there's one there and one here. And I'm going to be using this uni bit here to make the holes. I'm going to go ahead and just put some tape on the drill bit there, so that way it lets me know I need to stop right there. Alright, time to go test fit this. Alright, let's see if we did it correct. Perfect, alright. And I went ahead and centered the wires on top because I want these to be on top. I don't want to make them through the bottom. So I want to hide them as much as possible. I want to put them through here. Now we can take off the third brake light using these Torx screws here. Alright, so these bolts here are actually a Torx 30. Alright, we need to get access to the inside of the lamp itself, so we need to go ahead and take it apart. We need to remove these Torx 25s. Alright, and now with the actual backing off, we can go ahead and pull our harness out of there, and we can go ahead and just disconnect our light. Go ahead and plug it. Alright, so I use a razor blade to basically cut away at the tape to gain access to our harness. So we need to tap into the yellow as our power, and the black obviously is going to be our ground. But to tap into our source, we are going to be using these T-taps for putting into here, closing this in this here. I'm going to go ahead and just cut these a little bit shorter. Doesn't really matter where, because I have a long one over here. Once you got that on the light, we want to go ahead and add these connectors here, which these are the ones that will be going into our other connector to get our power source or our ground, like that. So that way it completes the circuit. So we'll go ahead and connect ours together. We'll do the red with the yellow, and then we'll connect our blacks together for our ground. That should complete our circuit. Before we go ahead and tape everything off, we want to go ahead and make sure that the light works. Alright, now that we confirmed that everything works, we can go ahead and tape off our connector here. We're going to tape this off so that we make sure that no moisture or water gets inside of here, and this will last a long time. Now I'm also going to be taping off the end of our factory connector here, so we don't get any water or moisture in there if you ever wanted to go back to our factory lamp. So I just want to zip tie it all together to the existing harness, that way it's not just loose. And I went ahead and put some more electrical tape on the rest of the wires, that way it kind of hides the red. Now we're ready to mount the tire back on and test this out. Alright, so there's a little bit of what the third brake light looks like on the vehicle. It actually turned out really nice. Another benefit of having the third brake light behind the wheel is kind of frees up some room behind the window there, so you don't have to have the third brake light in the way of your rear mirror. But yeah, that turned out really good. I love the way it looks. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. I'm going to go ahead and link out the Unibit and the T-taps that I used in today's video if you guys are interested in picking those up. And I'm also going to link out the third brake light that I used in today's video as well. If you guys found this video helpful, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.